Welcome. Today we are dealing with a dark chapter in diplomatic history, the Kurdish murder affair in Vienna, which shows how strong the protection provided by diplomatic immunity really is, even when it is abused. The year was 1989, and two Kurdish representatives and an Austrian political scientist of Kurdish origin were found dead in Vienna after a meeting with Iranian diplomats and intelligence officials. Witnesses had heard shots and seen persons fleeing, so that the suspicion of a violent crime was obvious. The two suspects, who were diplomats, could not be arrested due to their diplomatic immunity, and one other suspect, who was not protected by diplomatic immunity, was removed from the grasp of Austrian authorities by being admitted to the Iranian embassy. The authorities could not take action against the suspects with diplomatic status, and even the suspect without diplomatic immunity was allowed to leave Austria after Iran's intervention. Instead of being arrested, all suspects were escorted by police to the airport and then left unhindered. The Kurdish murder affair impressively shows how strong diplomatic immunity really is, even when it is abused. Of course, it is important that the sending state stands behind its envoys. The incident obviously triggered considerable protests, which led to a greater focus on the possible abuse of diplomatic immunity and the common practice of sending intelligence officers to other states as diplomats, even though diplomats are not allowed to engage in intelligence activities. Want even more insights on diplomatic immunity? Subscribe and join us on this fascinating journey.